Hi everyone, this is NTR TV. Today we are baking, bread baking actually. Since we are festive season, Christmas season, we will do some Christmas bread, which is a sweet side of the bread. And let's start now. I will start with the, of course, ingredients first, and then I'll tell you later how we can make it along with the program. Of course, we have 500 grams flour, 110 grams butter, 110 grams sugar, 20 grams yeast, fresh yeast. Of course, you can use instant yeast, but less. 155 grams egg, means 3 medium-sized eggs. And we have 5 grams salt and 75 grams of mixed dried fruits and 250 grams milk. And let's start. We will mix all of them except butter and sugar. First we can put our flour to the mixing bowl and milk. And of course yeast. And our 3 eggs, 155 grams of egg and salt. And these 3 we will add it later on after the gluten development, because that sugar and butter inhibit the gluten development. That's why we will start first mixing all the ingredients, and then when we have a smooth dough we will add those things. And we have extra egg for the egg wash on top of it. Let's start. We are doing this with low speed first. Once we mix all of them, and then we start a little bit faster side. If you do by hand, please be patient. It's a little bit hard dough. Wait around 5 minutes at least. You can make it by hand. If you have a stand mixer, it's better because it will make the time faster. Let's check. As you see, we have a smooth, nice dough. It's not so little bit sticky, I know. Now we can add sugar and butter first. If the butter is too hard, it means cold, you can make it a little bit softer by your hand to make it easier. And then we are adding the dried fruit. It doesn't matter which type of fruit you need. It's like orange, raisin, whatever you have, you can just add it. It's around 50 grams. Whatever you have, whatever available in your place. It means dried and small. Yes. Now we finished mixing. Take it from the mixing and then you just transfer this one. If you make it a little bit olive inside for the fermentation, it's easy to turn it off. I'll show you how it is. Little bit sticky, as you see. It's a little bit softer when you add butter and sugar. Little getting softer. Don't attempt to put extra milk when you mixed, because it's a little bit hard at the beginning, and then when you add sugar and butter, it will get softer, don't worry. Okay. Make it smooth, nice dough. As you see, this one we will wait around 1 hour for the fermentation. As you see, nice smooth dough. Now let's sit around room temperature, hot plates around 30 centigrade degree. Wait 1 hour, and then we will come back for the shaping. Let's start again. After we mix the dough and then we wait almost 1 hour for the fermentation. As you see, it's double the size. Now what we will do, we will just turn it over our nice fermented dough. As you see, nice fermented soft dough. What we will do now, 150 grams. Scale it. A little bit too much, yes. One by one. Again. Braid, whatever you shape you would like to give, you can give it, or you can make it in a loaf pan if you like, but generally we would like to give some nice braiding here, 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 3 braiding, make it something like that. Opa. That is. Let's make the other one. So I can show you one more time how we can braid it. A little bit sticky, but you can make it. Okay. Roll it. 1, 2, and 3. Starting from the side, turn, 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 then you can just put it in a nice wax paper, not to stick your tray. Go ahead, handle, and nice. 1, 2, and now we have egg wash. Just 1 whole egg and 1 tablespoon water. Nicely go over it. And now we will wait around half an hour, and then we will bake 190 centigrade degree 30 minutes. Just wait half an hour, we will see double the size, almost double, and then we will put it in a bowl. Okay? What we did, we just divide it, shape it, and then put it proof about half an hour or 45 minutes, depends on your room temperature. You check it, you will notice that it's proofing already. And then once more we are making this egg wash on top. Little bit more shiny, it gives you shine because it's Christmas bread, it should be bright color. And then if you are using it at home oven, please don't use the ventilation, just bottom and top heating 190 centigrade degree or 390 Fahrenheit degree. Let's put in the oven this one, and it should be around 30 minutes to 35 minutes, completely nice, shine and brown. You will notice that we are now putting this one to oven 190 bottom and up. And 30 minutes later we will have a nice Christmas bread, and then we will cut it and we see the inside of the bread and taste it. And after 30-35 minutes later, now we are taking our nice baked Christmas bread out of oven. As you see, nice bread. It takes out. It's a little bit hot. Let's wait a little bit. While we are waiting a little bit cold, I'll tell you what we have done with this Christmas bread. I'll just tell you the ingredients again. 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 250 grams milk, 155 grams eggs, fresh yeast 20 grams, sugar 110 grams, butter 110 grams, mixed dried 75 grams, and salt 5 grams. What we did, except butter and sugar, we mixed all the ingredients and then add sugar and butter and then mixed dried fruits, nice smooth dough. Waited around 1.5 hours for the fermentation. We just divided 200 grams braid, 3 braid, whatever shape you would like to give them. Either you can loaf pan, you can put it, and then wait another half an hour proofing on the tabletop, and then 190 centigrade degree. We baked around 35 minutes. You wait, please, just until nice shine. Now we can cut it and then see what's inside. I'll just show you the nice, smooth. Oh, one more. This is typical Christmas bread, sweet as you see, and fruity. You can have a nice cup of coffee, a bottle of wine maybe, or tea. You can enjoy and this nice bread. I hope you can make it all this festive season in winter time in your country or wherever you are. It's a really nice dough. And enjoy. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching NTR TV. Please join us in other episodes of baking or other programs. Thank you.